Hello YouTube, welcome to my video review of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. Oh, where is the Face ID? Yeah, it's got slide to unlock, huh? Okay, let's slide it across. Let's do it one more time, shall we? Pretty satisfying, right? Well, I've been using this iPhone 4S for almost a week now. Oh ho, I revealed, huh? Okay, well, if you would have made it till here, you probably didn't come to see the iPhone 12 Pro. But the next iPhone is rumored to have the same boxy design with glass at front and rear and stainless steel running around. It's the most beautiful thing, the most precise thing ever made. Stop me if you heard this before. Haha. Believe me, you ain't seen it except for the rumors and mock-up renders. Well, it's going to be similar to this or the 2018 iPad Pro design. It's gonna be boxy, something similar to this, and I like it. So, let's get started with the topic of this video, right? Okay, well, first of all, why would someone use a phone like this, a 4S for example? Well, first thing, it's retro. So this animation is worth a million. Come on, let's see this in slow-mo. And of course the skeuomorphism, which according to Wikipedia, let's see, is a derivative object that retains non-functional ornamental design cues from the structures or the things. Okay, so this is from the Scott Forstall era as compared to the clean and flat design of Johnny Ive. Here the icon looks like real objects, like the notepad with real papers and leather around the remainder remains vintage. Why the icons are floating around? Well, it's a jailbreak tweak called Barrel, really a fresh tweak even till date. And if you really want to use iOS 6 on this phone, then jailbreak is a must. Why? Because we literally have no app support. Once the phone is jailbroken, then we need to install this tweak from Cydia called A Downgrader. So we have it here. So what this app does is magic. So we need to enable this. So once enabled, then we can go to the App Store. So once we are in App Store, we can search for the app that we need. So let's download the app. We have WhatsApp here, so we can click on it. Then the app asks for the version, so we can check in the below link, which I'll be giving it in the description, and you're good to go. So that's how you download the applications which is not compatible with this phone. So let's see YouTube, which we have downloaded in the same way. So it works, but with limited functionality, like you cannot log into this application, but obviously you can search for the videos. So let's search for iPad Pro here. So let's wait for the videos. So once we get the video, so you can click on it and it starts playing. So let's watch it in landscape. Okay, it's quite fluid, I would say, like compared to iOS 9, iOS 6 is pretty much fluid in everything. So the video loads up. As you can see, it's smooth. And this is another reason why I would like to use iOS 6 on this iPhone 4S. And I have got pretty good stable tweaks that are here. So for example, this one is AXO, which is a multitasking tweak. So you can close the application like that or kill the entire open applications by clicking on that. So which is a pretty good tweak. Also I got tweaks like for example activator and barrel that I showed you sometime before, and I have iFile to access the file system. And iFile on iPad Pro with USB-C is just heaven, I would say. And also like I have some cool soundboard. Listen to this. So let's open it. Well, to install iOS 6 on iPhone 4S or any 32-bit phone that is still iPhone 5, we need to be jailbroken. So that is the only way. Earlier we used to do it for the 4S without jailbreak, as Apple used to sign the ISPW for them. So that's now not happening, so we need to jailbreak. Or there is another method by the school booter which can be used to dual boot from iOS 6 back to iOS 9 or the latest one which you are using it. There is one more thing. Well, if you want to use the iPhone 4S with the latest supported iOS 9.3.6, but still many apps aren't supported the latest versions. So for example, let's search for YouTube here, and this thing doesn't need any tweak or any jailbreak, and it's completely legal. So when you click on download directly, so let's wait. Well, you get this unable to purchase or download because it's a latest version which is available there. So to go around, we need to go to the purchased apps which you have already purchased. In, let's go to my purchases, and then we can search for the application that we need, and we need YouTube, right? So let's search for YouTube. So let's type in, okay, so here we have it, and now you can see the cloud icon with the down arrow. So let's wait and watch. What do you guys think? Yeah, so do you want to download the latest compatible version? Yes, I really want to. And once you click on download, it starts downloading, as you can see here. So it's downloading. So let's go to the home screen, and it's downloading well. Now let's launch the YouTube application, and let's see if it works flawlessly. And well, the only drawback is that the entire OS or any application that runs on this OS, it's slow on the iPhone 4S. Obviously it's a pretty old device, but at least it's supported. So let's click on some video and see if it works, and all the functionalities, it works flawlessly. Only thing, it's slow. So there you have it. Which one did you like, the smooth iOS 6 or the supported iOS 9 on the iPhone 4S? Comments below. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Stay safe. Peace.